Have you ever looked at your paycheck and thought, is this it? You work hard, you follow the rules, and somehow you're still stuck in the same cycle. Rent goes up, bills pile up, and that dream life, it keeps slipping further away. But what if I told you there's a way to escape this cycle without quitting your job, without waiting for a miracle? And it all starts with building multiple income streams. Stay with me, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how I'm building mine from scratch and how you can too. Oh, and by the way, I'm not one of those I made $100,000 in 3 months gurus. I'm just someone who refused to settle for financial mediocrity. And no, I don't wake up at 5 a.m. to drink green juice and journal about my goals. Though maybe I should. Let's be honest, the system was never built for you to win. We're taught how to earn money, not how to build wealth. We're told to get a job, save 10%, and retire at 65. But here's the harsh truth. If you rely on one income source, you're one paycheck away from financial collapse. Think about it. If your boss fires you tomorrow, how long before things fall apart? A month? 2? Maybe less. That's when I realized depending on one source of income is like standing on one leg during an earthquake. Sooner or later, you're going to fall. When I first understood this, I felt panic. Then clarity. I knew I had to create multiple streams, but I didn't know where to start. So I asked myself one question. What skills, knowledge, or assets do I already have that can produce money, even while I sleep? That question changed everything. I began exploring 4 categories of income. 1. Active income, where I trade time for money, but strategically. 2. Semi-passive income, where effort today pays off tomorrow. 3. Passive income, systems and investments that grow on their own. 4. Creative income, where I monetize ideas, not hours. Yeah, I did not know creative income was a thing either, until I realized people get paid to talk about their cats online. So I started small. Here's how I built each stream, step by step. 1. The foundation, my main income stream. I stopped treating my main job as my ceiling and started using it as my launch pad. Every paycheck became fuel for my next venture. I set a goal. 20% of every dollar I earn goes into building new income streams. That mindset shift turned my job into an investor. 2. The side hustle stream, skill monetization. I looked at what I already knew, finance, productivity, storytelling. Then I packaged those skills into freelance gigs and digital services online. That became my second income stream. At first, it made $200 a month, then $500, then $1,000. That's when I realized you don't need to make millions to change your life. You just need to multiply your sources. 3. The content stream, building a digital asset. I started creating content, faceless videos, digital guides, affiliate links. This is where things started compounding. Every video, every post, every affiliate link is a tiny worker that never sleeps. Some days they earn cents, other days dollars, but they never stop working. 4. The investment stream, money that works for me. Once I had consistent cash flow, I moved into investing. Not into flashy crypto coins or get-rich schemes, but into boring, consistent assets like index funds, dividend stocks, and high-yield savings. It's not sexy, but compounding returns are the quietest form of wealth. 5. The education stream, teaching what I learned. Finally, I started turning my knowledge into value, creating mini courses, templates, and ebooks around what I already knew. And here's the irony. The more I shared what I learned, the more people paid attention. Because people don't pay for information. They pay for transformation. Fast forward to now. I've built 5 different income streams, some active, some passive, but all aligned with my goal of freedom. I no longer panic when my main job slows down. I don't chase trends, I build systems. And every month, those systems quietly move me closer to complete financial independence. But here's the thing. Building income streams is only half the battle. The real transformation happened when I learned how to manage, multiply, and protect that money. And that's where the next part of my story begins. If this video inspired you, don't stop here. Because everything I just shared, the mindset, the systems, the habits, all started when I was broke, frustrated, and tired of living paycheck to paycheck. I documented that entire journey in my next video. From broke to financially free. That's where I share exactly how I made the shift from surviving to thriving, and how you can start your own journey today. Click the end screen, and let's keep building your wealth together.